Embrace the might of DigDog's DG15 mini excavator, a marvel of engineering designed for the modern age. This 1.5-ton powerhouse exemplifies versatility with its tailless small wing structure, ideal for the precision required in narrow spaces. With its retractable chassis and deflection boom, it is a testament to innovation, bringing ease and efficiency to any project. The DG15 combines robust construction with a load pilot operating system, ensuring every move is both smooth and precise. For those seeking reliable quality and operational ease, the DigDog DG15 is not just a machine, but a steadfast ally on any construction front. www.digdog.com